Here is a beginner-level event management quiz that covers sponsorship and partnerships, event marketing and promotion, and stage and entertainment planning. Let's go. Question 1. What is the main benefit of event sponsorship for organizers? A. Free event staff. B. Increased visibility and financial support. C. More complicated planning. And D. Less marketing effort required. Answer: increased visibility and financial support. Question 2. Which of the following should be included in a sponsorship proposal? A. Sponsorship benefits and event audience profile. B. A guest list. C. Catering options. And D. Stage lighting design. Answer: sponsorship benefits and event audience profile. Question 3. What is a key strategy to attract corporate sponsors? A. Offering sponsorship after the event. B. Sending mass emails without personalization. C. Creating tailored sponsorship packages. And D. Limiting sponsor benefits. Answer: creating tailored sponsorship packages. Question 4. What is co-branding in the context of event partnerships? A. Printing logos in small font. B. Hiring 2 entertainment groups. C. Sharing guest details between brands. And D. Joint branding and shared promotion between event and sponsor. Answer: joint branding and shared promotion between event and sponsor. Question 5. Which is not a common form of event partnership? A. Media partnerships. B. Venue sponsorships. C. Guest substitution. And D. Brand activations. Answer: guest substitution. Question 6. What is the primary goal of event marketing? A. To attract and engage the target audience. B. To decorate the venue. C. To book performers. And D. To manage permits. Answer: to attract and engage the target audience. Question 7. Which digital channel is most used for event promotions? A. Printed flyers. B. Social media platforms. C. Local radio. And D. Newspaper classifieds. Answer: social media platforms. Question 8. What does early bird discount refer to in event promotions? A. Discounts for performers. B. Morning entertainment. C. Lower pricing for early registrants. And D. Catering savings. Answer: lower pricing for early registrants. Question 9. Which of these is essential for a strong event marketing campaign? A. Random content posting. B. Fewer promotional channels. C. Promoting one day before the event. And D. Clear messaging and audience targeting. Answer: clear messaging and audience targeting. Question 10. What is an effective pre-event marketing tactic? A. Email campaigns and countdown teasers. B. Delaying all promotions. C. Changing the event theme weekly. And D. Only printing tickets. Answer: email campaigns and countdown teasers. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the run of show used for? A. Managing licenses. B. Printing guest lists. C. Scheduling performances and key program timings. And D. Catering feedback. Answer: scheduling performances and key program timings. Question 12. Why are rehearsals important before a stage event? A. They waste venue time. B. They are optional for professional artists. C. They delay the event. And D. They help performers coordinate and fix issues. Answer: they help performers coordinate and fix issues. Question 13. Who is primarily responsible for cueing performers on stage? A. Event host. B. Stage manager. C. Audience. And D. Sponsor representative. Answer: stage manager. Question 14. Which of the following enhances a stage show experience? A. Proper lighting, sound and transitions. B. Skipping rehearsals. C. Playing random music. And D. Avoiding audience interaction. Answer: proper lighting, sound and transitions. Question 15. Why is backup entertainment important? A. To confuse the audience. B. To maintain show flow if original acts are delayed. C. To cut overall event costs. And D. To shorten event duration. Answer: to maintain show flow if original acts are delayed. Question 16. What should be included in a performer contract? A. Only event dress code. B. List of audience members. C. Time slots, performance details and compensation. And D. Decoration preferences. Answer: time slots, performance details and compensation. Question 17. How can you ensure smooth transitions between stage acts? A. Skipping intermissions. B. Randomly assigning roles. C. Keeping all equipment on stage. And D. Having a cue sheet and trained stagehands. Answer: having a cue sheet and trained stagehands. Question 18. Why is timing critical in stage planning? A. It ensures the event runs as per schedule and avoids delays. B. It helps cut content. C. It shortens rehearsal time. And D. It increases marketing cost. Answer: it ensures the event runs as per schedule and avoids delays. Question 19. How can event partnerships help in promotion? A. By replacing the event theme. B. By giving access to a larger combined audience. C. By eliminating the need for performers. And D. By reducing audience engagement. Answer: by giving access to a larger combined audience. Question 20. What is a common mistake in stage planning? A. Sending out schedules. B. Hiring a stage manager. C. Not coordinating timing, sound and artist movements. And D. Creating cue cards. Answer: not coordinating timing, sound and artist movements. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.